I know Chigs is in here recording or some shit.
No Chid Smooth in here, right? So whatever you say,
you know, Chig gonna have everything up there.
whatever you say, Chid's gonna be on YouTube with it, man. I like you.
Come on.
Morning glory. I'm up early this morning and I just got my estimate. I got like 10 trees I want to cut down. They say them big trees, them big oak trees, Rose. I say I don't care. I want them cut down. Them fucking up this vibe right there. Nigga told me $1,000 a tree. For 10 trees, that's 10,000. Okay, I just told my homie, you go to Home Depot and you go get me the biggest motherfucking saw there is with a big chain and you crank that motherfucker up. I'ma cut the trees down. You heard me? Who the fuck I am. I'm hands-on. I cut down my own motherfucking trees. You can't charge the boss $1,000 a tree to cut it down. I cut down my own motherfucking trees. I gotta make room for my animals. I'm the biggest boss. Y'all ready to go cut these trees down? Thank you.